And today I am especially pleased to be here to announce our government's investment through SADI in a local GTA company. PCI Geomatics is an innovative Canadian company that is doing great work in the Earth observation sector. As you know, Canada has an impressive history of successful space-related research and development. I am pleased to announce today that our government is making a repayable investment of $7.6 million to support an R&D project at PCI Geomatics. Through this project, PCI will develop the next generation of Earth observation data processing technologies, which will make it possible to process large amounts of raw data into usable decision-making information faster and easier. PCI will collaborate with various public and private organizations, further contributing to our country's knowledge economy. Our nation's prosperity depends not just on meeting the challenges of today, but also on looking into the future for new opportunities and building a dynamic economy that will sustain itself for many years to come. Today's announcements underline our Conservative government's commitment to developing a highly skilled workforce and supporting Canadian aerospace and defense companies. Thank you, and I look forward to hearing more about this great project from Mr. Moloney of PCI Geomatics.
Great, thank you very much, Mr. Dechert. It is now my pleasure to introduce Terry Moloney, the Executive Vice President and Chief Operating Officer of PCI Geomatics Group. Mr. Moloney will provide remarks on behalf of PCI. Mr. Moloney.
Thank you, Sam, and thank you for being here. It's my honor on behalf of PCI Geomatics, our President and CEO, Dr. Robert Moses, who apologizes he cannot be here today. He's actually at a major industry event in China, and we are very pleased to accept this investment on behalf of Industry Canada and the Government of Canada. It's an exciting time for PCI. We are a company that is continuing to innovate and be a world leader. Currently, our technology is being sold in over 100 countries around the world, and we are truly an innovator and have been known to have best-of-breed technology throughout the world. This investment will enable PCI to further its technology and systems. Historically, this company has installed systems throughout the world on a desktop platform, but this investment will enable us to continue our most recent movement to automation and systems enterprise-wide. These technologies enable companies, governments, and industry to automatically create these information products in near real time. As you may or may not know, but the whole issue of geospatial technology or mapping is becoming omnipresent. As BlackBerries are ringing and people are using maps for all kinds of applications, our technology is a backbone feeding that information. As you may or may not know, PCI's technology has been used by a number of vendors providing images to both Microsoft and Google to provide what you see on Google Maps and Microsoft Virtual Earth. So PCI's technology today is also already providing information that's being used by a much broader use of customers throughout the world, rather than the traditional natural resources, environmental, and defense and security type applications. We're really excited with this partnership with the Government of Canada. PCI has a long history of partnering with Canada and trying to become a real innovator and world leader. And we thank the Government of Canada, Mr. Dechert, who's here today on behalf of Mr. Clement, and all those involved. And we really appreciate the investment that's being made by the government. And we're looking forward to turning this investment into some world-leading technology that will enable Canada to stay on the forefront of the information technology growth that's occurring throughout the world. Thank you very much.